Hello there, welcome to part 3 of my ski making series. If you've yet to watch some of the previous episodes, what I cover is how to split the log and roughly shape the skis. In this video, I'll be showing you how to steam bend the skis. This is probably one of the most challenging but fun parts of ski making, so let's get right into it. Here you can see the first thing I did was I prepped up the campfire pit. This was pretty much done by just clearing away the snow and prepping up the firewood. Here I've used my steam box to store some tinder. This will keep it dry from any snow or rain. It's important, especially in the winter, to arrange your fire to conserve as much heat as possible. Here I'm lighting up the yellow birch bark to start up the fire. If you want to learn more about making fires, watch my How to Make a Beginner Campfire tutorial. Here's my steam bending setup. What I've done here is I've put the metal container on top of the campfire and filled it with water. To get the water steaming quicker, I've put a cover on the top. You can see the heat from the campfire is creating the steam as well as the water vapor escaping. So what I did was I placed the skis horizontally onto the water vapor. This is not nearly as efficient as a steam box, but it still works. Here I was trying to position the steam box in a way to fit the skis in, but to my avail, it did not work. So what I decided is to just leave the skis on top of the metal container and let the heat from the fire and the water vapor do its job. To make this more efficient, I probably could have covered it with something like a tarp or some kind of fibrous material. So now that the skis have bent, I'm testing them out in the clamp. I just realized that because of the wooden plank at the very end, I can't fully bend it. So I put the skis to steam again while I unscrewed this last plank. I've put in the skis sideways so that the steam is captured inside the bucket. Well, most of it is. That way it has a harder time escaping. And that way, both sides of the skis get steamed. Here I'm putting the skis into their clamp. Now, with the help of gravity and a stick, I'm going to push the skis further, bending them. This is a very delicate process because if you do pull too much, the skis risk breaking. Here I'm putting in the second pair of skis. I'm taking my time with this to slowly get the skis used to the change in flexibility. Thankfully, they've yet to break. So here you can see I've reached pretty much almost a 90-degree angle. I'd say somewhere between 70 and 80. Now that I've got them in their clamp, it's time to bring them somewhere dry. So here a few days later, I'm about to take them out of their clamps. It's easy to get them in, the hardest part is to make sure that the bends stay. To my surprise, the skis actually kept the bends. Here you can see very nice bends forming right on the top. Because I've yet to get the straps in, I'm just testing it out by pushing the skis over the snow. The skis slide very well. Yet I'm still thinking I could probably attach some kind of lubricating substance to the bottom of the ski. That way, it water seals it, and it gives it better glideability. Here I'm testing it down a hill. They seem to keep their bends and be pretty durable. And the last visitor that I saw while I was making the skis. A skunk decided to come. Thanks for watching part 3 of my ski making series. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything like that, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.